Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll teach you how to service your printer, and especially thanks to Ken from ServTech willing to share with me the tips how to service your printer. Thank you and enjoy the video. So the thermal printer, so you click the button here, you open first, take out the paper roll. Okay, as you can see, this is the print head with the black strip here under this line. Okay, for cleaning substance, you can use the ethanol. Normally you can buy it at the pharmacy and use a clean cloth to clean it, to remove the dirt and the dust here. Or secondly, you can use the lens cleaning wipe. They open and then make sure it's alcoholic and then it's more than 50% so that there's no other substance in cleaning water, because the water will damage the print head. Or you can use the thermal printer cleaning pen to clean it here also. It's the shape just like marker pen, just clean it here. Okay, and then you also can clean it here. So maybe you can like use the blower, the air blower, to blow it out. Example, I just put it here and then blow it. Okay, or open here. So sometimes here we got stuck some paper or some paper, so you can use the air blower to blow it out. And then you put it back again. Okay, and then put back the paper. Okay. And then make sure the pot is clean and without the dust. So you just can use the air blower to blow it out the dust. And same goes to here. This one is for the drawer pot, so just clean it here. And then the power pot. Okay, make sure the cover is clean and neat and without no oily or dust. So this is the adapter and this is what we call the power cord. So make sure the pot is clean and without the dust, and make sure all of the thermal printer is used under the room temperature. And if you put on the kitchen, don't too near with the wok or the station. Okay, how to self-test the printer? Very simple. Make sure it's on the power. Turn off the button. Okay. You see this is the feed button here. So just click here, press it, hold it for 5 seconds, and then you turn on the switch. Do not release. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Then you print out the self-test, and then it shows the IP address. So this one is 192.168.0.100.